we guide you through how to set reminders in Slack. So, the first thing you need to do is to open Slack on your desktop or mobile device and go to the conversation or channel where you want to create a reminder. If you are reminding yourself about a message, hover over to the message, click the three dot menu, and select Remind Me About This. Then choose one of suggested times like later today, tomorrow, next week, or click Custom to set your own date and time. You can also create reminders manually by typing the remind or slash remind command in any chat. For example, type slash remind me to submit the report at 3 p.m. tomorrow. Then press enter. Slack will confirm that your reminder has been created and will notify you at the scheduled time. To view all your active reminders, type slash remind list and press enter. From there, you can review, complete, or delete reminders you no longer need. That's all it takes to stay organized and keep track important tasks in Slack.